Hello and welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to share with you how you can include an image or a picture in your Excel spreadsheets. Very easy. Let's try it. So, on the spreadsheet, if I want to add a picture as a background, it's very easy. I'll simply go onto page layout, background, and then I get options either I put it from my computers or from my OneDrive, or I can use a big image search. So I search here, for example, let's search background images. Let's see, what do we get? So there are some background colors, there are some background images. For example, I put this green one, insert. The moment I click insert, now it is my background. I can still work in my Excel, like I put numbers here and I can play with them as I normally do. So nothing changes, only a beautiful background is there. If I don't like it and I want to remove it, simply go back to the page layout and click on the delete button. Simple as that. You can use your own pictures as well. So if you go in page layout, background, and you go click on files from your computer, it will simply browse into your PC, and on your PC you see your own pictures, for example, any of the pictures. Put one of the pictures here, and there you go. It's your background now. You can continue to use that. And again, by going back, you can add and remove pictures in your background. You can make your fancy backgrounds as you like. And I am curious what kind of backgrounds you are planning to build in. So share your screenshot, share your comment in the comment section, and enjoy the feature. I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, bye bye.